Forget everything you thought you knew about full-sized German engineering, because the 2027 BMW X100 just rolled into Munich's lineup and completely changed the conversation. This isn't just a bigger SUV, it's a rolling palace that makes the X7 look almost compact. So is this the ultimate luxury statement, or has BMW finally gone too far? Picture the road presence first. That illuminated kidney grille glows like a concept car that actually made production. And at night, the adaptive LED lighting runs through a welcome sequence that feels almost cinematic. Stand it next to the current X7 and you'll instantly get why BMW skipped the usual naming convention. This earned that 100 series badge. Step inside, and the story flips completely. This cabin feels like a private jet, sustainable vegan cashmere, open-pore wood finishes, an atmosphere you'd want to relax in even with the engine off. Look up, and that panoramic sky view roof layers in augmented reality displays for all 3 rows, turning a simple drive into something interactive. And it's not just beautiful, it's smart. An AI-driven climate system quietly tracks occupant biometrics and adjusts seat cooling and massage automatically. No menus, no fuss, it just knows. If you've been waiting for true 3-row comfort without sacrificing elite status, your wait just ended. But comfort means nothing if it drives like a barge, so let's talk mechanics. Underneath sits a high-performance tri-motor electric powertrain on 800-volt architecture, and paired with rear-wheel steering and active roll stabilization, this massive SUV somehow tucks into corners like something several sizes smaller. You feel it the moment you turn the wheel. It shouldn't feel this planted, but it does. Range anxiety isn't a concern either, thanks to ultra-fast charging that adds roughly 200 miles in just 10 minutes. That single stat rewrites the road trip conversation entirely. Now let's shift into the tech, because this is where things get genuinely futuristic. BMW's new highway pilot system brings real level 4 hands-free capability for 2027, letting the X100 essentially drive itself in the right conditions. A holographic head-up display projects navigation cues directly onto the road ahead, keeping your eyes locked forward instead of darting to a screen. And behind it all, a 360-degree LiDAR array constantly scans and predicts hazards before your own eyes ever could. This system is always thinking a few steps ahead of you, so naturally, you're wondering what all this costs. BMW is positioning the X100 firmly in 6-figure territory, with exclusive launch trims pushing even higher. And that's deliberate, because this car is stepping directly into the ring with the Range Rover long wheelbase and the Mercedes-Maybach GLS. So does it actually redefine German luxury the way BMW wants it to? Between the presence, the cabin, the performance, and the tech, it's genuinely hard to argue against it. The only real question left is whether something this massive still makes sense on your everyday city streets, or if it's simply too much car for the world most of us live in. That part's up to you. But one thing's certain, German luxury just got bigger and a whole lot bolder.